Video number 2. What is LinkedIn all about? Definition. LinkedIn is the largest business-oriented social platform, which was established in 2003. Its prime objective is to permit existing users to create a network with those they know professionally. It is particularly utilized to exchange ideas, information, and opportunities. 1.3 million small business owners are on LinkedIn to gain new customers, enhance online presence for their business, generate leads, and build their brand awareness. LinkedIn ads can also assist you to get potential customers with a minimum budget of $10. LinkedIn is a social media network that is specifically developed for business professionals. It permits you to connect with other users and exchange or share business-related information around your networks. Like other social media networks, LinkedIn also allows you to design a customized business-oriented profile because LinkedIn profiles highlight education, work experience, skills, endorsements, etc. LinkedIn is an acknowledged approach to advertise your presence online. This social network is shown first in search engine results pages when looking to discover people. Maintaining your brand via LinkedIn can improve your brand visibility and awareness among professionals and business owners. You can associate your LinkedIn profile with your resume, blog, website, and other social networks to best utilize the advantages of LinkedIn. LinkedIn allows you to connect with your past and recent coworkers, business partners, and friends. Users who are not connected with you can't see your complete profile. A summarized view is displayed to them. You can create connections with other people by using the InMail messaging service to expand new opportunities. A basic membership for LinkedIn is free. Users in your network are generally known as connections. Pre-existing relationships or connections are necessary to connect with other LinkedIn members. Basic members can only connect with colleagues or professionally known members. Up to 3 degrees of connections are shown to primary users, but they will be unable to connect and contact them without a prior introduction. You can switch to the advanced subscription of LinkedIn for access to the LinkedIn database. How to get started with LinkedIn. Whether you're dealing in B2B or B2C, it doesn't matter. More than 1 million businesses and 12 million small business professionals are using LinkedIn to promote their products and services, and the numbers are continuously growing. So, it is really important for businesses to have a presence on LinkedIn. LinkedIn targeting preferences are distinct. Ads will assist you to boost your conversion rate and decrease your cost. To utilize LinkedIn as your advertising network, you need to have a LinkedIn account. Here are some easy-to-use steps to get started with LinkedIn. Define your prospect. Before initiating an advertising campaign, there is a need to specify the potential customers that you want to target. Be definitive by targeting your customers according to their company name, positions, location, etc. You can also go through job titles, skills, and other important aspects to make targeting easy. Create landing pages. After determining your potential audience, know the product you want to market to them. Design specific landing pages for your prospect. Landing pages need to be product and service specific with some crucial benefits of the product. Build a squeeze page to maintain a list of customers by offering them freebies and giveaways. Focused landing pages can enhance your conversion rate. Create and target your advertising campaign. With LinkedIn advertising, you can design 15 variations of an ad for each campaign, with different headlines, copy, landing pages, and calls to action. You can also test different variations to discover the best ad for your LinkedIn campaign, but the targeting will be the same for an entire campaign. For different targeting options, you need to create another campaign. You can target your audience based on geography, demographics, industry size, designation, schools, etc. Be audience specific to get more conversions with lower cost. Set up your budget. Setting up a budget is not a difficult task with LinkedIn. You could start with $10 per day and opt for CPC, cost per click, and CPM, cost per mile, advertising methods. If you're looking to boost your conversions, go with the CPC strategy. If your objective is to increase the visibility of your business, you can opt for the CPM strategy. Measure the results. There are 3 ways to measure your success with LinkedIn. You can analyze results using LinkedIn Ad Analytics, Date Range, and Campaign-Wise. Measure the CTR and leads. Do the complete analysis and optimize it accordingly. How to create a great LinkedIn page. LinkedIn is expanding its network daily, so it is really important for businesses, employers, employees, and job seekers to be active on it. To market your business with LinkedIn, you need to ensure that your page defines your brand and products. Designing a company page can boost your traffic and enhance user engagement. Keep given things in mind when creating a business page. Set up a company page. To set up a company page, you need to add a company by providing a company name and email address. Go through the inbox and follow the instructions which are mentioned in the email. You need to sign in with your username and password. You can allow your coworkers and defined prospects to go to the page. Add a detailed description and overview for your page. Try to be focused and include specialties, the product and services that make your business unique. Add a banner logo and image of your brand. Attract your audience. Begin with your company's employees and allow them to add your company details into their profile. By doing this, they will automatically follow you and motivate them to like, comment, and share your business updates to expand your post reach. Link your business page with other marketing channels and include a follow button, so interested audiences can easily follow your brand. Engage your customers. Regular updates can directly boost your potential audience reach and word-of-mouth popularity. You can also post and share news articles and milestones. These updates will appear on the company feed page and your followers' homepage. You can also take advantage of sponsored stories to enhance your engagement.